Owen, the dreamer, highest ambition, become a banana astronaut. Favorite subject, science, mostly experiments that explode. Lovable sea creature, octopus, thinks they're 8-armed banana peelers. Dream banana vehicle, banana-powered rocket sled. Best quality, can turn any disaster into a party. Catchphrase, bellow freezy peasy. Dan, the inventor, highest ambition, build the world's largest banana preservation machine. Favorite subject, mathematics, counts bananas for fun. Lovable sea creature, penguin, thinks they're tuxedo-wearing banana waiters. Dream banana vehicle, all-terrain banana tank. Best quality, MacGyver-level problem-solving with bananas. Catchphrase, potato-o zing. Tom, the daredevil, highest ambition, set world record for most bananas eaten while skiing. Favorite subject, physical education, especially banana bowling. Lovable sea creature, dolphin, calls them banana-seeking missiles. Dream banana vehicle, turbocharged banana toboggan. Best quality, fearless in the face of danger, or frozen bananas. Catchphrase, gelato kaboom. The Great Snow Nana Crisis, snow-covered mountain peak. 3 minions wrapped in colorful scarves and goggles. Owen, jumping excitedly, bellow. Look, snow banana, points to what's clearly just a regular icicle. Dan, adjusts goggles scientifically, Hera 2 freezy banana. My calculator says 99.9% chance of banana avalanche. Tom, already sledding on a giant frozen banana peel. We. Banana bobsled champion. Bellow, a huge gemstone. Hooray, hooray. Suddenly, they spot something mysterious in the distance. A glowing yellow cave, inside the ice cave, filled with frozen bananas arranged in peculiar patterns. Owen gasps, look. Ancient banana civilization, slips on ice. Whoopsie daisy. Dan, studying ice formations, according to my banana metrics, pulls out ridiculous measuring tape made of banana peels. These bananas are from the Jurassic period. Tom, licking an icy banana. Banana sickle. What's a minion's favorite fruit besides bananas? Answer, watermelon. Hera 2, the Great Escape. Cave starts rumbling, frozen bananas begin to glow. Owen, panicking excitedly, it's alive. The banana berg is alive.
How do minions communicate with snowmen? Answer, they use snowy phones. Be-do. Dan, pulling out various gadgets. Quick! Deploy the emergency banana warming system. Throws banana-shaped hot water bottles everywhere. The cave transforms into a magical banana water park. The resolution. All minions sliding down ice slides on banana peels. Owen, this is better than Banana Space Camp. Dan, taking notes while sliding. Revolutionary banana physics. Must patent ice banana technology. They emerge from the cave to find their discovery has created a winter wonderland banana theme park, all three in unity. Banana paradise. As they celebrate, they realize all the frozen bananas have turned into Owen, rainbow snow cones. Dan, mathematically impossible. Bellow, another precious stone. Hey. Tom, potato. All the minions celebrate in hopping, dancing, and jiving to Heart's content. Popeye, goodbye, till we meet again. Bellow.